Hi, welcome to the video of my renovation of the beach buggy. This is my AC Cobra replica, which I sadly had to sell because we brought our dream house in the middle of the country and we needed 2 bedrooms and a hallway. So sadly, the Cobra had to go. So then I was left with a double garage and nothing in it. So Bright Spark here spotted this funky looking beach buggy and decided to go for a purchase. So long story short, I brought the beach buggy, and then because I live in the middle of the Midlands, or in Worcestershire somewhere, I live nowhere near a beach, and it was a bit open for driving around, just cruising about. Hence me with the gas mask on when I was driving it home, where we brought it from up north somewhere. So then decided with a mate that we were going to renovate the whole car and put a skin or a body on top of the car. So me and my best mate Carl decided to embark on making something different from the beach buggy. We set about completely renovating and rebuilding the car, or rebuilding the body. So my prerequisites when we were building it was it really needs windows if we can. So we fitted some Perspex windows, and also it needs to be undercover so I can take my wife out in it without her being buffeted all over the place.
Still waiting for that ride.
Yeah. So we decided on the fact that orange and black was the best colour. My mate has also got a VW Beetle, which is in equivalent colours, and together they do look absolutely amazing, because one's a beach buggy and obviously one's a VW Beetle. They both sound exactly the same, but they look completely different. So this is just a brief history of the rebuild, a few photographs of the process from start to finish, and basically me and my mate just enjoying ourselves in terms of the build. So as you can see, it's quite a transformation. Thanks for watching.